Overview of the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate.
The IBM Data Science Professional Certificate is an online program designed for beginners who want to break into the field of data science. It consists of several courses covering essential data science skills, including Python programming, data analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. Completing this certificate can help you gain hands-on experience and build a strong foundation for entry-level data science roles.
What the program covers.
The certificate includes modules on practical Python skills, statistical analysis, working with data using libraries like Pandas and NumPy, and using databases with SQL. You'll also learn about data visualization tools, open-source tools for data science, and the basics of machine learning. Real-world projects allow you to apply what you've learned, helping your knowledge stick and building your portfolio.
Study tips for success.
Consistency is key when working through the certificate. Set aside regular study times and break content into manageable sections. Participate in forums and discussions to deepen your understanding. Completing all hands-on labs is crucial as they reinforce learning and simulate real workplace scenarios. Don't rush. Take the time to review challenging concepts before moving forward.
How the certificate is assessed.
Assessment in the IBM Data Science Certificate comes from quizzes, peer-graded assignments, and hands-on lab projects. To pass each course, you must complete all required tasks with a passing grade. The final project simulates real-world data problem-solving, which not only tests your learning, but can also serve as a showcase for future employers.
Career outcomes after completion.
Earning the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate can open doors to entry-level data science roles such as Junior Data Analyst, Data Science Intern, or Business Intelligence Analyst. It also demonstrates your commitment and competency to potential employers. While it's not a guarantee of employment, the certificate provides strong foundational skills, valued in technology and data-driven industries.